1, 2, buckle my shoe. Eep counts to 10.
1, 2, 3. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3.
Hi, Eep.
Hi, Teddy. Hi, Mary.
What are you doing?
I'm getting ready for Jack's magic show. He's going to make 10 pieces of cheese disappear. I'm trying to count them out, but I'm having some trouble. Could you help me?
Sure, we'd love to help. I know a rhyme that might help you remember how to count to 10. Do you know what a rhyme is?
Sure, Teddy. A rhyme is 2 words that sound the same.
Like same and name. Those are words that rhyme.
And game. Same, name, game.
I like that one. Same, name, game.
Here's another rhyme that will help us count to 10. It's called 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
What a fun way to count and remember our numbers.
We've counted to 10. Let's do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it again.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Oh, Eep, have you counted all the cheese for the magic show?
Sure did. We learned a rhyme called 1, 2, buckle my shoe, and that really helped me count all 10 pieces.
Buckle my shoe? Do you remember when we sang that song?
I sure do.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Where did Jack go?
He's in his magic shack.
Follow me.
Welcome to Jack's Magic Shack. I make rhymes to spare. Out of thin air. Spare. Air.
Gee, that's fun.
Fun. Run. Sun. And 1.
Wow, that's great.
Great. 8. Late. And fate.
Oh, and wait, rate, gate. I know, let's all become rhyming magicians.
It's as easy as pie.
You just have to try.
Try. Pie. That's one delicious rhyme.
And what rhymes with eep?
Eep, sleep, sheep, bo peep.
Yes, you called. Did someone mention sheep?
Did you hear that? We have a new message.
Let's go see.
Hi, Mother Goose Club. We're making up some of our own rhymes. Come see.
1, 2, let's say boo. Boo.
3, 4, snooze and snore.
5, 6, make some clicks. 7, 8, rhymes are great. 9, 10, cluck like a hen. Let's do 2, find a clue.
3, 4,
Sit on the floor.
5, 6.
Do some tricks.
7, 8.
Don't be late. Bye. 9, 10. I guess that's it then. Bye.
Wow, what great rhyming. We're missing the show.
We better get back to the shack for Jack's magic act.
Back, shack, Jack? Wow, those all rhyme.
Welcome once again, and get ready for a big surprise. This cheese will disappear right before your very eyes. Let's count all the pieces one last time. And to help us count, let's use a rhyme.
Yeah, great. 1, 2, toodly-doo. 3, 4, cheese no more. 5, 6, here comes the trick. 7, 8, it'll be great. 9, 10, till we meet again.
Abracadabra, and 3, 2, 1. With the wave of my wand, the cheese is gone. Abracadabra, and presto, please. 1, 2, 3, and here's the cheese.
Counting is fun, and it can help to use a rhyme.
Thank you for your help, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.